Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Nadine West time. Let's jump into the bag. Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a Nadine West unbagging. That's right, the pink bag is here. So here's how Nadine West works. You guys go to NadineWest.com. There's always a link down in the description box below. Take a 2 to 3 minute styling quiz. And then Nadine West will pair you up with one of their personal stylists. They will send you some clothing in the mail. You will decide there are pieces that you love. From the pieces you love, you keep those. The ones you don't love, you send back. They won't charge a card for those. They only charge a card for what you keep. So I encourage you to go over there, check them out, see what they got going on. So let me see what's in this bag. Okay, here's one bundle. So that's one bundle. 3 bundles this time. Here's one bundle. Everything comes wrapped in pink tissue paper. And then another bundle. So here are a couple important things. The first thing they send you is your packing sheet. Just tells you what's in the bag. So there's a top, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. Then they also give you a return label. This is for the things that you don't love. This right here gets stuck back on the bag. You send it back to the company at their expense. And the only thing that you should worry about is making sure that you return everything by the date. So they give you a date on here that you need to return anything if there's some items that you don't love. So make sure that you return it by that date. Other than that, it's pretty simple. We've got the quality of the clothing has really changed over the years since I've been doing this. I think I've been doing this 2 years, maybe a little bit more. And we honestly just love the clothing. Alana is at the size and age now where she can actually wear some of the things. I wear some things, she wears some things. Shamika has gotten some things. We've passed on some things to a few other family members or co-workers or different things like that. But let's jump in. So this is, okay, this is a top. 3/4 length sleeves, which are the ones I really like. Now, I don't think I've ever gotten a top this color. And then it does have that long tail like in the back. So automatically off jump, it makes me think of wearing it with leggings. Because I do have some black leggings that they sent. And of course, you can dress it up with heels or you can dress it down with flats. So I'm always into pieces that I can use for a day out or an evening out. I think this is a dress. This is a purple color. Alana will probably love this. She likes these colors. Trying to see. This does have pockets. We always love a pocketed dress. Now, these dresses are a little bit short for me, so I tend to wear them again with leggings. And these are the shorter sleeves. So not the long or the 3/4 length sleeves, but the shorter sleeves. That's a purple. Here. Oh, this is very pretty. This is a wine colored top. Now they said, check your, let me check, because it said I only had one top. Oh no, there's 2 tops. I'm sorry, I read that wrong. 2 tops. This is Layla lace short sleeve V-neck top. And I love anything that has this lace detailing on it. It just, to me, you can wear it up or you could dress it down. I really like that. And again, it's one of the longer tops for me because I like to have my bottom covered because I'm just a little well endowed in certain areas. But I love that wine color. Here are some jegging type leggings. They look like pants, but there are more of that legging material, that stretchy material. So I think that's a nice one. It's gray. And then in the last bundle, a nice pair of a dressier pants. So this is, again, they have that stretchy pants. This has 2 side zips, which I've never gotten a pair of pants with side zips. They don't come all the way open. It's just like a faux zipper. So that's really cute in that silver pattern. And they're my favorite, the skinny legs, because I like skinny legs. It always makes me look a little bit more thin than I am. So some of my favorite pants. And then a necklace. Let's see. I love silver. Silver is my favorite type of necklace. And so there's what that looks like. There's flowers and circles. Flowers and circles. Now this quality doesn't look as good as some of the other pieces I've gotten. Like this looks like faux jewelry, and some of the other pieces I've gotten have not looked this way. But I always can style up. It's probably just a little thinner than normal. Like I can always style up jewelry pieces. I can double this. I can just wear it down and then knot the end, or knot the end down here. I can always do something with accessories. So I'm going to let Alana try on a few things and see what we think, what we like. And then we'll come back and let you know what we thought.
Guys, I just finished the Nadine West haul, and I'm going to tell you my honest review. So the purple dress I put on first. There is another dress we got from Nadine West. It was red, well, kind of like a burgundy red, and it's like the same one, and I love it. And it's short sleeve. Love short sleeves because they get really hot, and the other one's long sleeve, so they're still both gonna work for me. I loved it with the belt. I feel like that dress need to be spiced up. Like, you know, it's plain things. Mom says that's what you can do with accessories, and you know, you can add things on. Make sure you have really cute shoes. That always works too. And I really like that one. That's probably my favorite piece. The next one I put on was the green shirt, like the olive green shirt with the black pants. And to be honest, it wasn't exactly my fave. Mostly, I think it was like the style of the green shirt. Like, I don't really like the button thing. And that's just me. I mean, I'm sure Mom loves it. I gave it to her. She can wear it. But I'm not really kind of like that button kind of person, where the button's on the sleeve. It's just not really my thing. And it felt a little weird being put on. And so did the pants. So, you know, everybody's entitled to their own opinions and all that. So I thought it was fine. Mom can wear it, or we can give it to somebody else if we have to. And the last one I put on was the red shirt with like the crochet on the shoulder and the gray pants. That also is another favorite, the red shirt. I love red. Feel like it goes with a lot of colors, and you know, there's something about a dark red I love. I don't know what it is. I love dark colors. There's just something about them, except for dark green. I like dark green, but I like any kind of other dark color, and they look amazing. And dark red's one of my favorite. So I really like that shirt, and I can wear it with other things, and like the gray pants, which has some gray boots to go with it, because I'm sure it would look really nice with gray boots. But I wasn't really a fan of the pants either, but that's just in my own opinion. So I gave it to Mom, because she can always have the stuff too. That is the end of the video. I showed you all the outfits, and this was my honest review of it. And Nadine West has been just so amazing to my mom and myself, and I hope you guys will want to go and see what you can go get. They have a really amazing stuff, especially if you take the little online quiz of, you know, what you like, what you prefer, all your favorite things, and go see what you can go get. Thank you for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, especially if you like seeing these kinds of videos where we just showcase our personality. It's another thing about Nadine West that I really feel like people like, you know. Clothes can express a lot about yourself. At least I think so. And Mom's such like a fashionista. I think expresses her very well. I'm kind of going into her footsteps too. And I can really see myself into fashion and figure out, you know, what goes with what, and, you know, just how to be myself, because it's important to be and love yourself. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss any notifications when we upload a new video. And we thank you for stopping by and hope you have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video.